Pardo, limited to just 6 points.
First of all, allow me to greet my friend at the FOB. They are watching right now. And Sun Case of Sariaya, Quezon, they are watching us. And of course, this is really a hard game for us and difficult to beat Ginebra. That is because that is a very organized team. But the teams want to win it. You can see it naman compared to the first game, second game, third game. So yung first game is talagang kailangan kalimutan namin yon. And then defense is really working out for us because we just allowed them to score 85 points and less than 90. But even though Junmar is hindi 100% because of the shoulder, he got it during the first 2 games. There's a lot of players na want to get him out by sometimes nasasaktan siya. But I appreciate him. Hindi siya nagko-complain And then nung pinapahinga ko siya, gusto pa nga niya maglaro But of course, pagka ganun ang player na gusto manalo talagang kahit may nararamdaman talagang ipapasok ko sila. And then not to the point na ma-aggravate yung injury nila, but they can control themselves naman And then I'm so happy with the team because everybody's supporting each other.
And now we're ready to entertain questions from the media.
Congratulations. Parang magiging barometer kung thinking si Don Trojano. Another big game. Game 1 nga, started siya. Game 2, sponsorship. Ngayon, 33 points. Ano nasabi mo sa pag-angat ng laro niya these last 2 games?
Well, I think extended yung kanyang birthday. Birthday niya yung isang araw ngayon. Talagang lumabas yung laro niya. And then, before the series, talagang ini-expect ko naman siya maglalaro na maayos at makakatulong na malaki. And the big factor today is not only him, because he scored 33 points, but the bench, 55, more than the starter namin. And same thing with Mo too. And during nakaupo si Junmar, nakita natin nagpe-perform siya and everybody supporting each other especially this guy si Don Trojano dahil hinahanap siya ng teammate nila. Kung sino mainit, kailangan bigyan nyo ng mainit din pandesal.
Pandesal talaga
Pinatatawa ko lang naman kayo. Seryoso kayo.
Pagod na
11 o'clock na Okay.
Belated happy birthday. Anong third quarter na tumamang yung Ginebra, para ikaw yung nagpila dun sa paglagasaan nyo, eventually nag-pull away kayo. Ano masasabi mo dun sa role mo dun sa run na yun?
Well, I'm open kaya tinira ko Actually, bago pa yun, dalawang mintis na ako, but my teammates and coaches trusted me, so titira ko talaga kasi good thing, pumasok. Kung hindi, mag-run yung Ginebra.
How happy are you na after yung struggles ng game 1 pakasa-pakasing yung laro mo?
Game 1 and game 2, pangit, I wasn't playing good. The mindset ngayon game 3 is just play my game, be aggressive, and just take a shot when I'm open.
Good shot. Coach, good evening. Coach, concerned ba yung health issue with Junmar Pardo going to the next game?
Yeah, I think alam naman niya kung paano i-handle yung ganung situation but you have to remember no second game he played 44 minutes probably yun ang nagbigay ng kaunting that's why hindi na-perform well on defense, but his presence in the court is really helping a lot. Makikita natin pagka gusto niya umiscore, but I think there's something wrong and dahil iniingatan din niya sarili niya. But you have to appreciate Junmar because may nararamdaman o wala talagang yung presence niya mararamdaman ng mga teammate sa kanong kalaban
Thanks na.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.